Welcome to the RCMC Trainerize app. The very first thing you will see when you open your app are things to do. The arrows will be ways that you can switch to the next day, the different days. Then it will show you all of your goals and habits that your coach has laid out for you. If you look down at the bottom, you're going to see a calendar. If you click that, it will show you the calendar. The next one will be your workout. This will be done either in office, at your house, or at your own gym that you go to. Edgar, our personal trainer, will make sure this is all set up for you. Next, let's go into how the app works. So you're going to hit the plus button right here at the bottom. Once you hit that plus button, the next screen will pop up, and we're going to go over how to put your weight in every day. So you're going to click the body stats button. This screen will then pop up at the very top where it says body weight. You're going to click in that section and change your weight every single day. Then we're going to come back to the main screen. We're going to hit the plus button. The way that we are going to track your food is you're going to go ahead and hit the meal button. From there, up at the top where it says today is where you can choose your different days. Okay, if I want to choose 2 days, I could click that. I could click the 5th and the 7th. Then if I wanted to pick 3 days, I could choose the 6th, 7th, 8th. Up at the top, it's going to show 3 days. And I could choose, I want to post the same meal for the next 3 days. I'm going to choose a snack. Now I'm going to search for the type of food, or you can scan the barcode, whichever way is easier for you. So here you will see this is a list of the recent foods that I've had. It will always keep those right in here for you. So that way it makes it really easy to always find whatever you need. There's always a favorite section. You can always add favorites by clicking on one of your foods. Up at the top, once you click on it, it will then go to a little heart up here right next to that remove. If you click the heart, that will now become one of your favorites, and it will always be in there for you so you can find it super easy. So any food that you always like to eat and you know you eat a lot of it, save it as your favorites so it will be very easy to find. Okay, to add it to the log, you just hit the little plus buttons on the side. So anything you want to add, you will hit the plus buttons. So I'm going to show you what my smoothie is. I'm going to add spinach to it. I'm also going to add my blueberries. I'm going to add my collagen peptides and my yogurt. So now all those are those green check marks. Up at the top, you will hit the review button. And then once you hear it here, you'll see it as that everything that I want. And then you'll hit the log button up at the top. So that is how you will log it. Okay, so once you have all of your stuff, you hit the log button. And once again, if you want to add the things to your favorites, that's the way you add it to your favorite. You just click it and then it will come and hit the heart. But to log it, you just hit log. Once you hit log, it'll take you back to your main screen where it'll have your things to do and also your habits, and it will show you the meals that you have added, and it will also add them to the others. So as you know, I'm a huge proponent of logging your food the night before. So if that's the case, you want to log tomorrow, make sure you click, today is February 5th, click on the 5th so you get that off, and then you'll click on the 6th. Up at the top, it'll say tomorrow, so you know you're logging for tomorrow. You can change your snack or breakfast or lunch to whatever it's going to be. Then here's where you'll pick your food. That first part is where you can change the quantity. The next part, if you click that, it is going to allow you to dial down and change the ounces or grams or whatever it might be. Make sure you hit your plus buttons. Then you will log it. And then you will now see it shows that it was added for tomorrow. All right, how does the scanner work? I know this isn't the best example, but I just want to show you this is a new item that's at Costco, so it's always pretty much up to date. You just take a picture of the scanner. Up at the top, you hit next. Once you do that, this is going to come up. It's these Thin Mint cookies. You click that, and it will automatically add it. Another important feature is on that meal. If you hit those 3 dots up here in the corner, once you do that, you can copy that whole meal to another day, save the whole meal to favorites, retake a photo, and delete that item. So that is how, if you have a problem or if you need to change something, that is what you will click to be able to do that. That is how to work the app in a nutshell. I hope that helps you guys. I hope that you are ready to make these changes. I cannot tell you how important logging your food is, just for you to really get a mental picture of how every single calorie matters, of how much food you're actually eating, of how different foods affect your body, and also so your coach can really monitor and make sure that we're on the right track.